Good morning, children. We have next topic, meter bridge. This is practical application of Wheatstone bridge. Earlier we have done Wheatstone bridge, and in the meter bridge we use the principle of Wheatstone bridge, that is called P upon Q is equal to R upon S, where P and Q are the fixed resistance, capital R is variable resistance, and S is unknown resistance. In the meter bridge, there is a wooden box on which wooden scale is used. The length of the wooden scale is 100 centimeter. 100 centimeter is equal to 1 meter. So this is known as meter bridge because we use scale of 1 meter. Now, on a meter bridge, there is a wire AB. This wire is made of constantan or manganese. Now, this meter bridge is point A connected with the positive terminal and negative terminal of the battery is connected with the K, and this K is connected with the point B. Now, there is a copper strips. This is called left gap. This is called right gap. In the left gap, resistance box is used. This is variable resistance. So, we can take out the value of any resistance, for example 1 ohm, 2 ohm, 3 ohm, 4 ohm. In the right gap, we use unknown resistance, which is called S, and we have to find the value of unknown resistance S. Now, this is a point D from which sensitive galvanometer is connected. This point D is connected with the positive terminal of the galvanometer. Now, from the negative terminal of the galvanometer, jockey is attached. Now, jockey is a device which is slide on the wire AB. Here, you can see capital R is resistance box, S is unknown resistance. Now, take out value of resistance box, take out value of resistance from resistance box. Here resistance box is in the left gap. Now slide the jockey. Suppose this is a jockey. Now slide the jockey in the wire AB such that whenever we touch the jockey on the point A, then this is a galvanometer 0, 30. Like this, there is a scale 10, 20, 30. 10, 20, 30. Now, when we put the jockey on the point A, there is a deflection on a one side. Suppose deflection is like this in the left side, and whenever we do the connections of the meter bridge, then put the jockey on the point B, then the deflection should be in the opposite side. If the deflections, whenever we put the jockey on the point A, deflection in the left side, suppose, and whenever we put the jockey on the point B, deflection in the right side, then we can say that connections are right here. Now, slide the wire, slide the jockey, slide the jockey on wire AB and find a point on AB such that there is no deflection in galvanometer. Suppose This is a point C. At this point, there is no deflection in the galvanometer. Now we can measure the length between the point A and C. Here, length between A and C is L centimeter. Therefore, length between B and C is 100 minus L centimeter. This is the remaining length between the point B and C. This is 100 minus L. Now we suppose small r is resistance per centimeter. Small r is the resistance for 1 centimeter length. Now between point A and G, value of resistance P between A and C, P is equal to A and C, length is L, so it is R into L. Now value of resistance Q between B and C, Q is 100 minus L into R. Using P by Q, R by S, now we can put the value of PQ. This is R into L, 100 minus L into R. This is R upon S, cancelled, or L upon 100 minus L is equal to R upon S. Now we know the value of resistance capital R, we know the balancing length L. At this balancing length, this meter bridge will be balanced. So when we put the value of resistance capital R and the length L, then we can calculate the value of S, that is known as unknown resistance. For the meter bridge experiment, you can use YouTube to see the full experiment there. You can download OLAB. You can download OLABs from Play Store to see this complete practical of meter bridge.